Hello, BC Calculus! It's Friday. Can you believe we've already made it to the end of our first online week? All 2 days of it. Anyway, I just wanted to touch base with everybody, see if you had any questions about anything, and just to address a couple of clarifications that maybe need to be made. I guess it was maybe a little bit more straightforward for you all because you had the quiz on Thursday, and hopefully most of you saw that I made that an assignment in Schoology. You had the opportunity to submit that electronically, which it appears most of you did. I haven't looked at them yet, but looks like most people have figured that out. Obviously, if you're having an issue with that, let me know, and we'll try to come up with something else. You can send me an email. Anyway, moving forward, just so you know, in general, there's going to be a little bit of lag between when assignments get finished on your end and when we actually turn them in, because I want you all to be able to have the chance to ask questions. So you'll see I've posted a Google survey. It's over the questions from the max-min problems in the section 8.3, 10.5, and 10.4. I think that was supposed to be either done or nearly done, but we never had a chance to really do questions over it. So anyway, I have put up that link. You can click on that link and you can list any problem numbers that you want me to go over. If you just have specific topics you want me to go over, I can do that as well. I will plan to put videos up about those topics, possibly if it's just short questions, maybe a couple of written responses, and I'll just put up photos or something. So it may vary from assignment to assignment. I will not put the assignment in the gradebook, which means you won't have a link to submit until I've posted those question answers, okay? I don't want people submitting things and then finding out that they need to change an answer. So basically, I'll assign something, you'll finish it, you'll ask questions in the link, and then the following class period is probably when that link will pop up for you actually to submit an assignment. By that point, you'll actually be working on the next assignment. So always kind of a multiple part process. Basically submit the last assessment or the last assignment that I've answered questions on, ask questions over your current assignment, and then do whatever the new lesson is in a particular day. All right. Moving forward, that section 8.3/10.5/10.4. That's the last new content for us before series. So the lesson for Friday is going to be starting out with series. I'm going to be posting those assignments on Schoology. Forrester, I think, kind of skips through series really quickly. And while it might be nice to have 6 days of series and be done with everything for the AP exam, I think the level that they want you to understand these things at on the AP exam is a little deeper than what Forrester does. So certainly you can reference his book. He's got most of these topics in there. He just does them kind of quickly. I will be posting some other resources as well. So I believe chapter 12 in Forrester's book is the series chapter. I think he actually starts with power series, and then I think he talks about convergence afterwards. We're going to talk about convergence first, and then we're going to go back into the power series. Of course, we did convergence last year. Most of the convergence tests are going to be a review. So this should not be completely new to you. I'm probably going to teach it a little bit faster than I would otherwise as a result. And we're really going to try to blow through those sections pretty quickly, although they're super important. And then the last topic would be basically power series, Taylor series, Maclaurin series. That's also a huge topic for the AP exam. I will probably be mixing in some AP review as we go along the way. We really need to have the AB stuff out of the way pretty quickly. And frankly, by the time we come back from spring break, we need to be hammering the BC content to get ready for the AP exam. So anyway, more on that as we move forward, but just wanted to kind of update you on assignment submission and that kind of thing. If you haven't turned your quiz in yet, get that turned in. I think the cutoff for that might be at the end of the weekend. I actually gave people a little bit of an extended time, but anyway, most of you have already turned it in. It'd be nice for me to start getting those graded and getting those back to people pretty soon. So anyway, I think that covers everything for now. Again, if you have any questions about anything, feel free to send me a message on Schoology. Feel free to send me a phone number if you need me to call you. Video conferencing, that kind of thing. I'm hoping I can do some of those things next week. We'll see. So, with that said, happy Friday. Enjoy the weekend. See you back here again on Monday.